Welcome to percussion lesson number 2. We're going to start on page 4 of your red book, Traditions of Excellence, book 1. Go to page 4, go ahead and get your bell kit set up, or whatever kind of xylophone, marimba, whatever you've got available to you. Up here, you're going to notice that we have some terms and symbols, talking about a staff, the bar lines, and how the notes are divided into measures. In this case, all of our notes are going to be in 4/4 time. That means there's 4 notes per measure. Ta, 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 ta. 4 beats per measure. And a quarter note gets 1 beat. Your conductor might be able to do a pattern like this where they go down, left, right, up, and you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Now looking at this picture, they will show you every note you need to know. And the first note is C. Looking at this, I've got these keys labeled, but you can see there's a group of 3 keys, group of 2 keys, group of 3, group of 2, group of 3, group of 2, etc. If you find the group of 2 and go straight down, imagine that you're sleeping in your bed and these are your legs, and guess where the dog goes? Dumb dog wants to always lay between your legs. So dumb dog right there, D, is going to be in the middle of the 2. And just to the left of D is C, because it goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Those are the 7 letters of the musical alphabet. So if we go down from the 2, over 1, that's C. And what it wants us to do, you'll see right hand rumble number 1. There's a mallet part, MLTS stands for mallets, and there's a snare drum part, SD. I encourage you to try both. Today I'm showing you mallets. Make sure you read all of these captions because they're important. It's got an R for right. So we're going to be doing 4 with our right, 4 rests. 4 right with our right, 4 rests. Go ahead and get your right hand. Take your grip. You're going to have your thumb and forefinger pinching about 3/4 of the way down the stick. And then you're going to gently wrap your fingers around. Thumb on top. No pointer finger. Thumb on top. Okay? Give it a good grip. After each hit, we're going to rebound. So we'll be hitting C and then bouncing right back to where we started, just a couple inches above the bar. So, number 1 has 4 right hands in a row. Let's get ready. 1, 2, ready, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 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 rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time, here we go. Tap your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to have your book up, looking along at your book, but you're listening to me, you're following along with me, and you're trying this on your instrument. Number 2, lots of lefts. Guess what? It's the same thing, but now you're using your left hand. Let me see if I can switch the camera, because I'm holding it. I'm literally holding it. Am I as good with my left hand as my right hand? No, that's why we practice. We're going to do 4 hits with our left hand on the letter C. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, 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 rest. Those little squiggly notes are the rests. And remember, we're reading the top line that says mallets, unless you're ready for snare drum. Here we go. Left hand. Good grip, thumb on top. Not too high, not too low. That'd be silly. About 1/3 up the stick. Here we go. Remember to rebound. Tap your toe. 1, 2, 4 hits, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 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 rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit in the center of the bar every time. Count in your head. Ready, go. Rest, 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 rest. Why did I count the rests? Because sometimes the silence is just as important as the notes. If you looked over to here, you would see, I'm going to have trouble doing this because I'm holding the camera in my hand. Number 3 says 4 of a kind. You're going to press 4 with your right, 4 with your left. So have both of your mallets ready. Practice strokes at different volumes by changing the stick or mallet height. If I were to do a hit this high, it's going to sound different than if I did one this high. Okay? So we're going to do 4 with our right and 4 with our left. Here we go. Start with your right. 1, 2, right hand, go. Right, 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 right. Switch to your left hand. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to your right hand, ready, go. Left hand mallet, ready, go. 1, 2, now we're done. Now, I want you to go ahead and keep going on this page. Number 5 has you doing right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, over and over again. That's pretty simple stuff, but the point is to get a consistent pattern so that the right hand and the left hand both can share the bar, trading back and forth without cramping or without accidentally hitting too close between the two other bars. Sound like a good plan? When you get to number 6, you're going to do right, left, right, rest, right, left, right, rest. And then underneath each one, you can see it goes back to left, right, left, right. Now they want you to do the opposite. Start with your other hand. If you always start with your right hand, you're going to have a weak left hand. It will not be as confident. Now, when I was making this video, I only went through each song one time. Is that how we practice? The answer is no. You need to go through and practice it until it is confident. And I get it, this page is probably easier than everything else. But if you do number 5 and you're playing this, I want you to do it 3 or 4 times in a row. If we make a mistake, do it again slower. If you've done it successfully once or twice, do it faster. And this is the tip to practicing, is repetition and intention. You're thinking about what you're doing and you're doing it again and again, okay? So that is pages 4 and 4 continued. I also at home want you to try some of these other exercises on pages 5 and 5 continued. You guys have a little bit more since there's also mallet and snare drum. And again, use your practice pad and try practicing these same rhythms, but with the rebound of the practice pad. You'll feel it's different than how it rebounds on the metal or the wood. Got it? All right, percussion, I will see you next time. Please go practice, practice, practice.